안녕하세요. Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about one of Korean pronunciation rule that you want to remember to be able to pronounce native like. It has to with h sound. Let's begin. When you have a h sound as the first component of the letter block, then it sounds as h. In the contrary, when you have a h in the middle of the word or last, h does not really sound. It sounds like same as up there, which is no sound. So let's look at those words. 하루. Do you hear ha? When I pronounce it, I pronounce a h. 하루 means a day. 하늘. 하늘 means a sky. 학교, it means a school. You don't have to know those words and the meaning, or so I wrote those 6 words, though it would be great to know the meanings of it. But the main focus in this video is to realize how this pronunciation rule applies whenever you see the word or any words has h in it. In here, h is coming second letter block. So it does not sound. So it looks like this way. And as you know, if is the first component of the letter block, it does not sound. If it only sounds like when it is final consonant. So I'm gonna read it as 영화, 영화, a movie. And this does not sound because it's a second letter block. 공항, 공항. And I still pronounce this because this is a final consonant, right? 공항, 공항. And here I'm gonna pronounce this word as 여행, 여행. Let's go over quickly, and you can try to pronounce. 따라해 보세요. Repeat after me. 하루, 하늘, 학교. Those has h sound. 영화, 공항, 여행, which does not really sound. So if you understand this pronunciation rule, you will sound like much more like native when you speak Korean. I hope this video was helpful. 고맙습니다. Thank you for watching. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.